stop this and stop that. If you know buy dog, you buy cat. If you know key fly, you key rat. Your relationship there for Snapchat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a quick one. I just want to give you some tips on how to maintain your blonde hair. So this hair is from Asteria hair. I'm going to put the name here. Yeah, before we go into this video, if you're watching me for the very first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button down, and just beside the subscribe button you're going to see a notification bell right there. Click that also, so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first to know, so that we can join the squad. So yeah, and if you're watching me and you're on Instagram and you're not following me, what are you waiting for? I'm of my Instagram here also for you to follow me, so I can see my beautiful post. If you want to see pictures of this hair, it's right there on Instagram. Let's get into this hair. I have made a video already about this hair, how it came and how I tinted this hair. This hair came in all colors 613, and it's really super gorgeous, and it's a straight hair. It's really nice and all that, but one thing for sure is that you have to know how to care for this blonde hair. Honestly, I didn't know this hair really suits me. I think this hair suits me. I like the color. It's so super gorgeous hair. So when it comes to blonde hair, you have to really take care of it. Like, this hair does not need to be dry for no reason, and it has to be properly moisturized, and you don't have to use any kind of, just in case you want to wash it, you don't have to use any kind of shampoo. You must make sure that you use those kind of shampoo that have for colored hair. And this particular hair has been very nice, though I oil it a lot, and I use this oil here. I use this one, which you can find in Lidl. If you live in the UK or in Italy, they sell this, and it's really nice. And also, if you can get this got to be oil also, what you need is just a little bit of this oil, just like a drop, like this, like a pump, like this, and you make sure that you rub it on both of your palm, and make sure that you just take it through the hair. Like you can see, this hair does not tangle. It's really lovely. And yeah, you should just be generous with the your conditioner, on this hair. Like 2 to 3 times a week you have to just condition this hair to keep it popping and alive and all that. Yeah, like you can see in the video of where I tinted the roots of this video, I'll put the link down in description box for you to check that out. This hair is popping. Where's my brush here? Let me try to show you. Look at how nice, you see, no tangle whatsoever. So you have to always put oil on it, to get it fluffy and nice. I put some curls on this hair. I use this curling iron, this one, to put some big waves, and yeah, I'm really loving it. I do this like maybe twice a week, to keep it popping. Other than that, I can just wear it straight like this, and it's not bad at all. It's really nice. I've been wearing it for like weeks now, and it's still standing to the test of time. So yeah, I'll recommend this blonde 613 hair if you are interested in buying anyone. Like, any question you need to ask me, just put them down in the comment section, and I will sure get to answer all of them for you. This is a wig. Link to this hair is down below in the description box. Make sure you check this hair out, and I'm sure there is also a coupon code. I can't really remember if there's a coupon code with this hair, but if there is any, I'm going to put it down in the description box below, so that if you're ordering this hair, you'll be sure to have some discount, for this hair also. So yeah, this hair is popping. I don't know.
does it.